In this video, we will see how to set up stationery management step by step. First, click on Stationery Management. Here, you will see multiple options such as material type, stock, structure, configuration, and assign. Now, click on Material Type. Here you can see all the existing material types. To add a new material type, click on Add Type. Enter the following details. Material type, name description, sizes available. If you want to add different sizes, select the Sizes checkbox so you can add multiple sizes. Next, click on the Stock tab. Here, you can see how much stock is currently available. To add new stock, click on Add Stock. Fill in all the required fields and click on Submit. After submitting, the new stock will be visible in the stock list. Now, click on Structure. Here, you can add a new category. To add a new category, click on the plus button. Enter the category. Name Add required material types. To the category, click on Save Next, open the Configuration tab. In this section, you can configure stationery categories for students. First, select the academic level. After selecting the academic level, the stationery category will appear. Select the required category. Now comes the final step, the Assign tab. Suppose a student has received a stationery kit and you want to record it. Click on Assign. Select the academic level. Select the student. After selecting the student, you will see the Add Receipt option. Click on Add Receipt and save the details. This is how you can easily complete the stationery management setup. Thank you.